both Dow Jones and US 100 both trading sideways. They both has achieved the high but failed to sustain the highs and trying to trade with a drop. Now close to again a support level, that is 31,400 and 12,000 levels. There is a support at these levels. However, now we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators what could be expected out of these two and how we can make profit trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq today. We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, and yes, next analysis on NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones will be up before the US cash session. Do watch that also. And yes, first we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. So you listen to it carefully and watch till the end. Let's start. See, on the hourly charts, it is consolidated here and it is provided it is very strong support, the 12,000 levels. There was a breakout and now it is trading with the support at 12,000. I'll be watchful of that. There is a resistance at 12,060 levels and then 12,100 levels. If these two levels are taken, there is going to be a strong bullish breakout and it may sustain. Right now, it is trying to trade with the support at 12,000 and you can find that it is trying to come back to this zone. Probably this may again, it has already been achieved once, and now if it is taken at below 11,970 levels, 11,960 levels, if that is taken today, you can expect a good fall and it will continue to achieve 11,800 levels. Be watchful of that. And if you look at the oscillator trading on the sell side on the hourly chart, directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move, RSI looking downwards, stochastic looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, here too it is trying to give you a breakout. This is the support zone. It is trying to trade below this, and yes, you can go short at 11,970, 960, and or rather I will say below 11,960 you can go short for around 11,800, and then below that it may try to drop more. So be watchful of that. And yes, it is trading bullish. It is trying to give you the red part of this oscillator. The directional movement hardly indicative of anything. MACD white, divergent and bearish here on the 2-hour charts. Stochastic, RSI looking downwards, stochastic at comfortable levels. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, so it is trying to give you a breakout. It is trying to achieve the lower lows there around 11,970, 960 zone. I'll be watchful there, 11,960, 970. It is trying to trade in this channel for last 4 candles. So yes, these levels you have to be watchful and be cautious about. Any move below 11,960 you can go short for 11,800, and then below that also you can expect 11,750, 700 levels. Oscillator was at high there. It is trying to converge from here and crossover for a sell. Directional movement is still bullish, trying to converge. The MACD has just crossed over and it is just 3 candles apart with the increasing height indicative of bearishness. The RSI is sloping downwards indicative of bearishness, but the stochastic is near to oversold levels on the 3-hour chart. This is one indicator which is contradictory of what we have seen. On the 4-hour charts, higher highs have been seen, and here it may try to give you higher lows. When I see higher highs and higher lows, it is trying to achieve 11,980, 990 levels, and from there a bounce back can be expected. Only short entry I will recommend is below at 11,960. If you see it trading below 11,960, yes, you can go short there. 11,900, 11,800 levels can be seen there today itself. So trade accordingly. 11,800 is a good support which it may like to look forward to if it continues to trade below 11,960, 970 zone. The oscillator trying to give you the greener red part of the oscillation, and the directional movement is bullish but trying to trade with very little divergence. The MACD has crossed over and it is still trading with the sell. RSI is sloping downwards. Stochastic is oversold. Coming back to the daily charts, see on the daily chart it appears it may give you a red candle. As you can see, increasing body size here. The previous candle with a strong wick there, and hence probably we can expect a little bearish move, and probably it can try to come back somewhere here at 11,800 levels. Be watchful of this. 11,800 is a very good support. On the upside, the resistance there at 12,100 is going to be strong. A long entry about 12,100 can be taken. If it continues to trade about 12,100, go long there. So yes, or rather I will say, even if you see it trading about 12,060, go long for 12,100, and about 12,100 it is going to fly high till towards 12,200 plus levels. Till the time it trades below 12,050, one can expect that it may continue to achieve lower lows, and probably the target at 11,900 and 11,800 levels should be achieved if it continues to trade below 11,960 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Go short at 11,960. Go long at 12,060. Do not trade in between these 100 points. On the upside, the resistance there at 12,100 and 12,220 to 12,250 is going to be strong. Beyond that, it will fly for 12,400. On the downside, if it breaks below 11,960, we can expect 11,900 and 11,820 to provide it a very strong support. Once it trades below 11,800, we can expect further bearishness till towards 11,740 and 11,650 levels. Take your trades accordingly, and now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 is still trying to trade with this. This is the consolidation trying to take the support at 31,400 and 31,350. Be watchful of these two levels. These two levels are definitely very strong support for US30. It is trying to give you a breakout. If it breaks below 11,350, sorry, 31,350. If it breaks below 31,350, you can expect it to drop till towards 29,950. 3950 levels, and below that, yes, you can expect further more drop. The oscillation has completed its journey. It is trying to decide which direction to take on the early chart. Right now it is trading near to zero or neutral zone. The directional movement has crossed over for a bearish move. The MACD is trading with a sell entry. RSI looking downwards, stochastic looking downwards, indicating of bearishness. If you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly on the 2-hour charts, it has completed the journey till here. Be watchful of 31,350. If it breaks below 31,350, one can expect similar size of candle. One can expect 3,900 levels, 950 levels to be there on the chart soon. And if you look at the oscillation, it is giving you the red side of the bullish cycle. And if you look at the directional movement is trying to converge, the MACD is wide divergent bearish, RSI is looking downwards, stochastic is looking downwards. Indications are little bearish on the US30 charts. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts here, it is trying to give you a breakout. I will be watchful of 31,350 lower highs. On the upside, watch out for 31,500. If you see it trading beyond 31,520, you can go long below. Rather, I will say 31,550. If you see it trading beyond 31,550, go long and stay long above these levels till the time it trades below 31,550. My target is to hit at least 31,000 levels and 3,900 levels. It may try to achieve these levels before it looks over to any further rise. The oscillation trying to give you the red part of the bullish cycle. The directional movement is trying to converge. It is still green. The MACD has just crossed over an indicator of bearishness. RSI is sloping downwards. Similarly, the stochastic is looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, it is trying to give you higher lows and higher highs. Probably the support here at 31,380 should be there, and then below that 31,350. These three levels are taken. I will be going short for 31,300, 31,200, 31,000 and 30,950 levels. So I will be expecting, however, it to achieve 30,900, 30,950 and 30,800 levels. At least these levels should be achieved before it looks over to any further rise. This is what is my expectation. Oscillation, they are trying to give you the red part of the bullish cycle. The directional movement is trying to converge. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell entry. RSI looking downwards, and stochastic is also looking downwards on the 4-hour charts, appearing into enter into oversold zone, but a bounce back can be expected later. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, there was a push from the upside. Though the candle ended in green, this candle, and yes, there was a push from the upside. It failed to sustain the higher levels and dropped significantly. Now again trying to trade with a drop. Lower highs are done. See, lower highs. Now it is trying to give you lower lows. I will be watchful of 31,300 levels. If it trades below 31,300, there is going to be further bearishness which may try to bring it till towards 31,000 levels. So I will be recommending you to stay short below 31,300, 31,350 zone. Below this, yes, you can expect it to drop more. Below 31,300, my target is going to be 31,000 and 30,900 itself. You can take your positions accordingly. And if you look at the oscillation, it was on the sell side. It is trying to converge, crossover for a bullish entry, but here it is getting a resistance on the upside. The directional movement is still bullish, but trading with very little divergence. The oscillator there, the MACD there has crossed over and it is just 4 candles apart. RSI trading flat. Stochastic is overbought here, indicative that probably it may try to drop from here. It may try to converge the cycle from here. Considering this, one thing is clear, the only long entry is above 31,550 levels. and in between 31,550, 31,350, I will not recommend you to take any position. Below 31,350, the first support at 31,300, and if that is taken, my next target is, if it is not achieved today, probably by tomorrow we may see it achieving 30,950, 30,800 levels before it looks forward to any further rise. So below 31,300, I will be very bearish. We can expect 300 400 points at least before it looks forward to any rise on the upside. Beyond 31,500, there could be a stronger bullish move. So go long above 31,550, go short below 31,350, and take your trades accordingly. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on first week of July. The strategy slot will definitely help you become proficient and efficient trader. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group. Reach out to me via my official email or official Telegram handle. And if you have any queries, reach out to me, and for more details, connect to the same email and Telegram IDs. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.